Okay, everybody, it's time to change out this chrome fuel door and replace it with this satin black one that I just got from Amazon. Like my new one, the old fuel door has these 4 locking clips on there, and to get to them, I'm gonna have to pull this wheel well liner out. Once I get it out, all I have to do is just stick my arm behind there and press the clips. It's off. The area inside where the new fuel door is going to sit needs to be cleaned up, so that's what I'm about to do now. Now it's time to go back with the new fuel door. Make sure that you have these 2 tabs right here lined up with these holes. Alright, that's it. Alright, the new fuel door is on, and it looks good. The next step would be to take this fuel cap off, simply by prying on it right here, but I'm not going to use this cap. When I bought the fuel door, I decided to buy this locking gas cap as well. I never liked the idea of someone being able to get inside having access to my fuel tank, so I decided to replace that with one that locks. Up. Unlock. It cost me a couple of dollars, but I prefer to have that on than the regular cap.